Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change app permission on Android phone. Okay, first of all, you can open your settings application on your Android phone and you're going to scroll down until you find the app setting. Tap on this app setting and you can select the application you would like to change the permission on. And for example, I'm going to change the permission on Instagram. So I'm just going to tap on the Instagram, and here we can manage our app permission. For example, we can tap on the permissions first. And for example, I'm going to forbid camera. I want to forbid the Instagram to access my camera. So I'm just going to tap on the camera, and I'm going to click on don't allow. Okay, and after that we can go back, and I'm going to give you another example. For instance, I'm going to allow my Instagram to access my device location, so we can tap on the location, and I'm going to click on allow only while using the app. Okay, and I guess that's how we can change app permission on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.